Welcome to Powerviz. Let's explore top 5 features of the Powerviz network graph, a powerful visual that helps you explore relationships and connections like never before. Whether it's mapping workflows, visualizing hierarchies, or analyzing relationships, this graph turns complexity into clarity. Let's explore its top 5 standout features. Group related nodes into smart clusters to highlight structure and patterns. With a single click, you can also emphasize the relationships between nodes, bringing hidden connections to the surface. Add directional arrows to show flow and influence in your network. Customize node shapes with built-in icons or even upload your own for a personalized, meaningful visual. Apply rules to instantly highlight outliers, key entities, or connection strength, all without writing a single line of DAX. Place labels inside or outside the nodes, or use custom labels for full control. Choose from over 30 color palettes, including colorblind-friendly options, to keep your visuals accessible and impactful. Use the advanced toolbar to fine-tune your layout, line styling, shape formats, fill patterns, and more, giving you pixel-perfect design control. With the Powerviz network graph, you're not just visualizing data, you're mapping meaning. Try it today and bring clarity to your most complex connections in Power BI. Download from Microsoft App Source or our website powerviz.ai today.